This is how to draw Captain Fiddles from Garten of Banban. We'll start out with a big ol' eye over here. And draw the pupil kind of looking off, not perfectly in the middle, kind of looking up here. Come over here, we'll draw another eye. Have it kind of looking in the opposite direction. This will make him look a little more derpy, a little more silly. And we're gonna come over here where the shoulder would start and draw a line that comes across. It kind of goes up on the top of the head, dips down, then goes up again for this shoulder. Then we're gonna draw a line here for the mouth, and then draw a tongue. And then over here, we're gonna draw tooth coming out, big tusk, hooks into the mouth. Over on this side, draw a tusk coming out, it goes up all the way almost up to the eye, comes down, tucks into the mouth. And we're gonna come down, narrow, and then draw a little foot. It comes up, comes down, draw the foot, comes up into the arm, and then we're gonna draw the arm, comes down, give him a thumb, then a little mitten like fingers, curves up into the shoulder. Come over here, arm comes down, give him a thumb, little mitten shape for the fingers, and it curves in to the shoulder. And that is how you draw Captain Fiddles from Garten of Banban. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel.